Good morning. First, I apologize for my look this morning. I'm a little under the weather and I've got a little scratchy throat. But I wanted to give just a tiny bit of a conversation about educational standards, why they're important, and how they can be both a benefit and a disadvantage. So obviously those standards are the learning goals, whether they're Common Core or they're SOLs. And it tells the teachers, it allows the teachers to know what the students should be knowing at each grade level. And it's really important that we recognize that it is standards, not curriculum, right? So, curriculum is the detailed plan for your day-to-day teaching, and that is up to you. That is about what you want to use, the pedagogy that's important for you in order to teach the things that you are. Of those standards that you're teaching in your classroom. So the teachers know best, right? Teachers know best what works in their classrooms for as far as making sure that those standards are accomplished. The standards establish what the students need to learn, but does not dictate how teachers should teach, right? I wrote that down because I wanted to say it just like that. All right, so that's a little bit on the standards, and so you can read through now some of the benefits and the disadvantages. I really enjoy reading about your opinions on that. So perfect. Thanks, guys.